has emerged as a lucrative venture for Kenyan farmers due to its high yield, low maintenance cost, and increasing demand in the livestock industry. By strategically cultivating the grass, farmers can generate substantial income through both hay and seeds sales. High yield and profitability. Fumarole grass can be harvested multiple times a year, with each acre producing approximately 300 to 400 bales per harvest. Each bale sells for between 250 to 500 depending on the season, translating to significant revenue per acre annually. Additionally, the grass produces seeds that can be sold to companies like Kenya Seeds, which purchases Fumarole seeds at Kenya shilling 950 per kilo. Low maintenance and drought tolerance. Fumarole is a drought tolerant and require less water compared to traditional crops like maize, making it suitable for various climatic conditions in Kenya. Once established, it can remain productive for up to 4 years, reducing the need for frequent replanting and lowering overall production. Market demand. The persistent shortage of livestock feed, especially during dry season, has created a robust market for Fumarole hay. Farmers can capitalize on this demand by producing and selling hay to livestock keepers. Furthermore, companies like Kenya Seeds Company are contracting farmers to produce Fumarole seeds, offering additional revenue stream. Getting started. To venture into Fumarole farming,
Welcome farmers,
some of the things that you have to follow.
this is Richard.
One,
I'll
land
be
preparation.
taking you through how
Prepare a
we
fine seedbed by plowing
plant
and
our
harrowing
Fumaroles.
before the onset of rain to reduce
Farming
weeds and
that is very
enhance
lucrative.
weeds
Here
and
in
enhance
Nakuru
germination.
County, this is where
Planting.
our
Sow seeds at a rate of
Fumaroles
0.5 1. Land preparation. Prepare a fine seedbed by plowing and harrowing before the onset of rain to reduce weeds and enhance germination. Planting. Sow seeds at a rate of 0.5 to 1 kg per hectare, either by broadcasting or in furrow, ensuring light soil coverage of less than 1 centimeter. 3. Maintenance. Protect the pasture from grazing during establishment, control weeds, and ensure adequate moisture for optimal growth. Harvesting. Harvest at the early flowering stage. For high quality hay, proper storage is crucial to maintain nutritional value. By following these steps, farmers can establish a profitable Fumarole grass enterprise, contributing to livestock feed supply and enhancing their income stream. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching my channel.